How do you vape without inhaling?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into a somewhat uncommon technique in the vaping community: how to vape without inhaling. This method can potentially reduce the amount of vapor that enters your lungs, but remember, it's not a way to avoid health risks completely. Any form of vaping can have potential health effects.
Understanding vaping without inhaling.
First, let's talk about what it means to vape without inhaling. When most people vape, they inhale the vapor into their lungs, much like smoking a cigarette. However, vaping without inhaling involves drawing the vapor into your mouth and then exhaling it without it ever going into your lungs. This is also known as mouth-to-lung, MTL, vaping or puffing.
Why would you vape without inhaling?
Vaping without inhaling may seem unusual, but some vapers choose this method for a few reasons. One is that they enjoy the taste of the vape juice without wanting to inhale the vapor. Another reason is that some believe it to be a safer alternative, though it is important to note that there is still risk involved as harmful substances can be absorbed through the mouth's tissues. Remember, vaping is not risk-free, no matter the method used.
How to vape without inhaling.
Now, onto the technique. Follow these steps. 1. Draw slowly. When you start drawing on your vape device, do it slowly. Quick inhales can lead to coughing or an uncomfortable throat hit. 2. Hold the vapor in your mouth. Once you've drawn the vapor into your mouth, hold it there for a few seconds. This allows you to taste the full flavor of your vape juice. 3. Exhale. After holding the vapor in your mouth, simply exhale it. Ensure that you don't inhale the vapor into your lungs during this process. Remember, this technique will take some practice, so don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. And there you have it. Vaping without inhaling is a simple process that involves drawing vapor into your mouth and exhaling it without letting it reach your lungs. While this method may reduce the amount of vapor entering your lungs, it's important to remember that it doesn't make vaping risk-free. If you're considering vaping or changing your vaping technique, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider. Happy vaping, and until next time.